Soundala Art and Sound Display. Cutting-edge technology merges light and music in a way that's never been done before. This versatile digital artwork is a unique new form of entertainment. As you watch, endless patterns seamlessly merge from one to the other. Controlled by an onboard computer with an iPad user interface, Soundala creates a multi-sensory experience. With its patented sound visualizer technology, Soundala brings new dimensions to artistic enjoyment. You can actually see the music. In a gallery or lounge setting, Soundala picks up the sound of viewers' voices, creating a shared interactive experience. A stunning centerpiece, Soundala is an inviting focus that relaxes and bonds viewers as they share the experience. It's the ultimate icebreaker at any event or venue. Nightclubs, hotel lounges, special events, and boutique art galleries are a perfect fit for Soundala, as are audiophiles, art lovers, and high-tech early adopters. If elite and unique are your buzzwords, this is a perfect opportunity to present a piece of the future. Soundala, see the music.